Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a storage solution and how to assemble it. It's a 4-pack shoe stackable organizer. So in the beginning of this video, I included the date when I purchased this. So it is $34.99, so average of $8.74 per organizer. So it's a pretty good deal. I bought this shoe stackable organizer at Costco. In the box comes with 4 sets of individually wrapped organizers along with the assembly instructions. Each packaging has 6 panels inside that is also individually wrapped, so you're going to do a lot of unwrapping. Each panel has labels from letter A to F, which I already removed in this part. Please remember to follow the assembly instructions. I got too excited and I switched to panel B and C. So what it does, the opening panel will not going to be the same as the other side. The other will open by pulling up and the other side is by pulling down. Normally you will be using one opening, so it's not totally a big deal, but if it does bother you, it's really hard to disassemble it, so just keep that in mind. So let's start assembling. Once you take out all of your parts, so grab your panel A or the part A, and then you're going to connect the part B. So find the thick side of the panel with a smooth surface. Okay, and then you're going to grab your panel C. Same thing, find the thick side with smooth surface. Okay, and then after connecting letter C to letter A, you're going to grab your letter D panel. So you're going to line up. So the clean straight line side of the panel should be on top. And then line them up. And then you're gonna need to tap it to make sure that it's gonna be connected and secure. You'll know that you're gonna hear some sound, snap sound. Then you might want to turn it over, so that'll be easier. Then you're going to grab the letter E. So this is the easiest panel to connect. So you're just going to line them up there and then give it a little bit of tap. And then you're going to grab your letter F panel. Okay. And then start assembling the other side. So that little thing that's sticking out, you have to shoot it in the hole. And then work your other side by sliding it. You'll hear a sound. When you hear that, so you are good to go. You are done. That's it. So when it's finished, The bottom panel should be letter D. This side is letter B. The opposite side will be letter C. Then the back panel should be letter A. And your top panel is letter E. Then this wide opening is going to be letter F. If you are thinking to put it on a higher spot, so you might want to flip it over like this. See? Guys, look at this. When you open this one up here, oh, so this is going to be in the way. It's kind of hard to grab things inside. So while this one, you just put it up. Just another option. 4 organizers stuck up together is 38 inches tall. So it is 12 inches wide and the depth is 15 inches. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!